Hey dear students, welcome to Ardent MDS. The last few days I got many messages and many calls related to the counseling procedure. So the motto of the session is to give you a complete clarity about this counseling procedure. Just stay with us, it may be a lengthy video, but you get clear idea about this counseling procedure. Recently MCC, that is Medical Counseling Committee, given a schedule for the counseling procedure for the NEET MDS students. So the first round of counseling, which starts from the 21st August to 24th August, okay, 2021, followed by you have a second round and mop-up round, and followed by you have a stray round of counseling. And the criteria to attend this counseling is minimum percentile for the general category is 50 percentile, and for SC, ST and OBC category it is a 40 percentile, and for unreserved PWD category it should be 45 percentile. There are two different authorities which is responsible for the counseling. Every state has some government dental colleges. 50% of the government dental college seats filled by the own state. The remaining 50% which is given to the All India, so this is called as All India quota, which is filled by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So 50% of the government seats in every state and 100% of the seats in a deemed universities filled by the Ministry of Family and Health Welfare. So the remaining 50% of the seats in a government dental colleges in every seat, and all the self-financing colleges which is filled by the state government. Now the counseling which is called for you is by the Medical Counseling Committee, which is under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for the All India quota and for the deemed universities. The fees to be paid at the time of registration is in a two categories, non-refundable and refundable fees. Just go through it. And in case if you want to apply for both All India quota and deemed universities, you need not to pay for both things. The highest amount to be paid, that is 2 lakhs, you have to pay for the deemed universities. The process of online allotment, which is going to be takes place in the 4 phases. So round 1 followed by round 2 and mop-up round. Finally you have a stray counseling. And by a round 1, the counseling procedure starts. You have to do the registration. At the time of registration you have to pay the refundable and non-refundable fees. And this refundable fees otherwise called as security deposit, and you have to go for a choice filling, and the results of round 1 counseling is announced in a MCC website. So based on this you have to report to the allotted dental colleges. Right, how to do the choice filling? There are many students asked about which one I should fill it, which one I have to give priority. Okay, so whether I have to fill it all the things or I can just select it one. So here this point is very important. There is a no restriction for filling up number of choices. You can fill it any number of choices. Okay, suppose if you got the rank of 120, forget about the rank. Okay, just fill it with your highest priority. Okay, you can just fill it your Maulana, Endo, Ortho also. Fill it from the highest priority to the lowest priority. Maybe you fill it your oral pathology and oral medicine also. And sometimes I recently heard about one of the government dental colleges which increased the fees of 2 lakhs. Okay, just think about this. And if you wanted to join, if you have an option to join in the college, you can put the option. Otherwise, if you doesn't have an idea, you can omit that option. So based on this, you just fill it from a highest to lowest priority. This is one. And one more very important point you have to notice here is, once the choices are filled, it can be modified before locking. Okay, and once you locked it, you cannot modify the choices. Okay, till last date, if you not lock it, automatically in the last date it will be closed, mean it will be locked. So round 1 is over, the result is announced. So once the result is announced, you may get a seat or you won't get a seat, right? So if you get a seat, you can retain the seat and there is a no upgradation you are giving. because you like the seat, there is no upgradation is needed. The second criteria of the students, they retain the seat and they go for upgrade in the round 2. And those students who doesn't like the seat at all, okay, they doesn't like the seat or they doesn't like the college, they don't want to join, so this is called as free exit. You can come out of this first round, okay, without reporting to the college, and this is called as free exit. Once you've done the free exit, which is not reported to the allotted institute, you can participate in the round 2 with earlier registration details, or you can apply for your state counseling. So this is the option which is given only for round 1. In case if you done the upgrade, you may get a new seat which is allotted, or you won't get a new seat. If you not get a new seat, the seat which is allotted in the first round is fixed for you. Okay, once it is fixed, you cannot come out. Okay, that means you cannot even attend for a state counseling. So remember this. This is a very important point. Many students ask about doubt. Okay, so at the end of the round 2, this is about end of the round 2, your seat is allotted. What is allotted in the round 1, which is fixed here in the end of the round 2. After that, you cannot eligible for the state counseling. If the new seat is allotted, you can join in the upgraded seat. Automatically your seat which is allotted in the first round is cancelled. So coming to the round 2, what are the students who are eligible for the round 2? So those students who do the new registration, mean which is not registered in the round 1, can also apply for the round 2. And those students who are not reported, who have done the free exit, can apply for the round 2, do the choice filling, and after that the publication of the results which is coming in the MCC website, then you have to report to the college which is allotted in the round 2. Right. So up to here, the All India quota will be completed. All India round is completed. Then comes the mop-up round. So what are the students who are eligible for the mop-up round? Mop-up round is only for deemed universities and central universities. Here, those students who registered in a round 1 and round 2, but there is a no seat is allotted. Okay, they are eligible for the mop-up round. But here you have to again give the fresh choice filling and publication of the results which is given in the mop-up round, and you have to join in the allotted dental college. And mop-up round is only for deemed universities and central universities. Those who got upgradation in the end of the round 2, which is not eligible for the mop-up round counseling. So those students who done the first time registration, so there are few students, they think about only for deemed universities, so they can directly come for the mop-up round. And those who registered but not allotted in a seat in a round 1 and round 2, and those students who not reported at the end of the round 2. So those are the students who are eligible for the mop-up round. At the end of the round 2, if the seat is allotted to you, you have two choices. So either you can join in the particular college, and if you join in the particular college, your name is sent to your state government, you are not eligible for the state counseling. Suppose if you not join, you can eligible for the state counseling. But meanwhile, your fees, your security deposits, which is became non-refundable. So the final round, which is called as stray counseling. Those students who doesn't get any allotment in a first round, second round or mop-up round, they are eligible for the stray counseling. So their names will be sent to the deemed universities. So the deemed universities can fill their students by their own based on the merit. What are the students who are not eligible for the stray vacancies? The students who joined in round 2, number 1. The students who got allotted a seat in a mop round, okay, even if they not joined, they are not eligible for the stray round. The students who got allotment and the students who joined in a mop-up round, so all those students who are not eligible for the stray counseling. If any seat is not allotted in a round 2 and mop-up round, your security deposits will be refunded. And in case if he doesn't join in a round 2 counseling, or if he surrender the seat, and if the admission gets cancelled because of any issues in the certificate, and it leads to the forfeiture, that is security deposits became non-refundable. Documents which is required at the time of joining, this is compulsory for all the students. Okay, admit card, score card, mark sheet, BDS degree certificate, internship completion certificate, DCA registration certificate, your high school or higher secondary school certificate, and any identification proofs which is provided by the government like PAN card, driving license, voters ID. And these are the documents if you are applicable for this. Okay, like OBC certificate, SC/ST certificate, disability certificate, and EWS certificate. So only if you are eligible, you can have to submit these certificates at the time of joining. The complete process of counseling, which is given in a flowchart for your better understanding. The counseling process starts with a registration, followed by you have to pay the fees chargeably. And the results will be announced for the round 1. You may get your seat or you won't get your seat. If you not get your seat, you can apply for the second round. If you get your seat, you can report to the particular college which is allotted to you. You need not to join. If you not join, this is called as free exit. They are eligible for the second round of counseling. And if you join the particular college, again two options will be given to you. So you can upgrade or you need not to upgrade. So those upgraded students and those students who applied in a round 1 but doesn't get any seat, and there are few students who done a fresh registration for the round 2. Again the charge filling to be done, the seat is allotted. There are few students get the seat and there are few students doesn't get the seat, exit. Okay, and if the seat is allotted to you, again you can report or need not to report. And if you reported, admission is completed, you are not eligible for the state counseling. And if you not reported, your security deposits will be forfeiture, that is security deposits became non-refundable, but you are eligible for the state counseling. If you got an upgraded, you can go for a seat which is allotted to you. Okay, and you can have to get 10 certificates from your first round counseling college to the second round counseling. Coming to the most important questions asked by the students. There are few students who asked about whether if they join in a second round, if a seat is allotted to a second round, they are asking if they are eligible for the state counseling. After the end of the first round, if your seat is allotted to you, you have a 3 options. Number 1, either you can go for a free exit, mean not joining in the particular college. Number 2, you can join in the college and you can go for a upgrade. And if you join in the college, doesn't want to go for upgrade, no upgradation. If it doesn't give you upgradation, your seat is fixed, you are not eligible for the state counseling. Right. In case of a free exit, you can go for a state. And if you join, if you give an upgrade, you may get a upgradation seat. If you get an upgradation seat in your round 2. Okay. But if you not reported in the round 2, your security deposits will become non-refunded. But you are eligible for state counseling. If you not reported, if you got upgraded but not reported to the college which is allotted to you in the second round of counseling, which is very important. In case if you joined in a college which is allotted to you in the round 2, you are not eligible for the state counseling. This is as simple as, right? So this is for first round. Coming to the second round. Second round, only you have 2 options. If the seat is allotted to you, you can join in the particular institute, or you need not to join in the particular institute. If you join in the particular institute, again you are not eligible for the state counseling. If you not join in the particular institute, your security deposits became non-refundable, but you are eligible for the state counseling. So this is the doubt which is asked by many students. Hope I cleared your doubts. In case if you have doubts, kindly contact us. I am very happy to help you.